Coupon Reminder for WooCommerce is a WooCommerce add-on which helps you send reminder emails to customers before their coupon expired. Go to the Plugins section on the dashboard. Upload and install the plugin from the zip file. Activate the plugin. The plugin now appears on the dashboard. After installing the plugin, you need to create templates. Go to Email Template. Click Add New. Type to change the name of the reminder email. This field will not display on email to customers. Select Button to enable Sending Email feature. Choose Time to send email. Edit email content with media, text, and shortcodes provided. Check the email template before the real sending with the Preview button. Choose Update to save the template. To use the plugin, you need to create coupons. Go to Coupons section in WooCommerce or Marketing on the dashboard. Choose Add Coupon. The coupon you made needs to be filled with available value in coupon expiry date and allowed emails fields. Without meeting these requirements, the coupons are not qualified to be sent using email templates of the plugin. Add at least one address in allowed emails field. These addresses will receive coupon reminder email. Choose Publish to save coupon. In the Scheduled Emails tab, you can check the email address that will receive reminder email, status of reminder email, code, and expiry date of coupon. Qualified coupons that were made will be displayed here. Scan Coupon button is to update data of reminder email for existing coupons.